Welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. What we are going to do today is your back, upper back. So we are going to do the upper back and the neck. So only from your thoracic spine to the neck is what we're going to do. So they already started the exercise. That's the first exercise. So that's a face pull. Okay, there are two versions of it. What Sumati is doing is a simpler version of it. So you pull it. So do not slacken your hand, but keep it wide as possible. Thumb pointing backwards and pull it towards your face. And engage your core, tilt straight. Okay, so keep your core straight and do it. Now what doctor is doing is the second version, which is the tougher one. Okay, so here you engage the rhomboids, teres major, teres minor, your posterior deltoids and all of that. Right? So that's what this is all about. Alright guys, the next exercise is all about supporting the rhomboids and trapezes. So we're going to do the lats. So from bottom up, so we're going to pull that thing, rhomboids from the bottom up. So the next exercise, we're just doing one version of it. So just pull it down, so you can see the rhomboids and all that engaging here. So you can see the lats also pulling down, right? So it also works on your shoulders. So the anterior deltoids also works. Okay, so if you can see doctor's t-shirt shrinking, so that's the triangle which it's working in. Yeah. So there's Padma trying to push it. She's doing a lighter weight. You'll have to keep your hand straight, pull it down. Don't bend your, yes. 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 Alright guys, the next exercise is a lat pull. Okay, so the higher up lat pull. So all the exercise what we are doing today is especially a rehab exercise for the IT guys or people who work on desk. It's a continuation. Let's say, I can even tell you this is a part 3 of the IT desk job, rehab. So if you can do this, okay, your rounded shoulder, your frozen shoulder and all that will get fixed. So most of those guys who are sitting on the desk pull up their shoulders. So these exercises will help you. So they are on the third exercise now. So if you see, it's a lat pull, right? So what you're saying doctor do and Padma do is pull the rope towards your solar plexus or your sternum, okay, and expand your hand outwards. And if you see doctor's thing, you can see that the whole scapula is turning inwards and you're getting the lats engaged. So that's what you're doing. So even Padma is doing that. So it reduces back fat, especially for women. Padma, if you can sit a little upright, yeah, there. Yeah, there. So you can do that. So the next exercise also will be similar for the same part in a very different method. Hey guys, another exercise on the lats. So what we're going to do is a lat slow release. So you're going to pull it all down in the front and then release it slowly. So you're going to work on your lats again. So that's another exercise. On the lats, what you're seeing Arjun do, you can see the lats engage. Alright, so now he releases slowly. So you're going to release it super slow. You're going to hold it up as long as possible and then bring it. Load up. This is an exercise where you can load up weights a lot. So you can pull it down. Your biceps also works. So it's a dual advantage. But then don't load up your biceps. Try to get your lats working. So you can see your, lat. So if you see Sumati, some part of a fat accumulation, okay, actually reduces. So you can see that working, right? So you can see from here, the lats is pulling up. There you can see the t-shirt pulling up that way. Right? That's how it works. So if you've been watching the video till now, so you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and support us. And call us, write to us, do anything. Like yesterday, somebody asked about, the frozen shoulder and, especially on IT desk, if there's a third part. which we didn't mention on that. We still don't do the carpal tunnel and all that, so we will cover that separately. But then Today we are going to do just the lats, back, upper back. So the rounded shoulder is what. So we'll cover that as well. Exercise is a seated row. So you're going to sit down and row and bring your elbows to the spine. So you're going to turn your elbow to the spine while you're pulling it. So if you're not, the equipment is not allowing you to do it, at least crush it against your spine. All right. So get your elbows right into the spine so that you work your lats up. All right, that's what they're doing. So you can watch Arjun and Sumati do that. All right. So sit a little upright and bring your elbow to the spine. Turn it. Yes. So you can watch doctor also do now. So it's his turn. And what you're saying Arjun do, you can see the lats engage. So hold it for a second there. Okay. Yeah. Release it slow. Hold it up. So sit back all the way behind. Stretch your leg. First retract your shoulders backwards, then pull it. So always get your shoulders behind like that, then pull the lats. It'll engage much better because there's not much to pull after that. So you have to get your hands to the spine. There. You can see doctor's lats work completely. You can see his first starts with the teres major contracting and the rhomboids contracting, then he's pulling the lats in. So the whole back, upper back works backwards. That was the last exercise. And what you need to do now is share, like, subscribe, and help us out. Thank you. Have a great day.